हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू उड़ान एजुकेशन। सपनों को सच करें। टुडे we will discuss energy and power signal, and we will do one numerical problem based on energy and power signal. So first of all, we have to understand that what is an energy signal and what is a power signal. So we call a signal as an energy signal when the energy value will be finite but the power value will be zero. And we call a signal as a power signal when the power value will be finite but energy will be infinite. So how we will calculate energy and power, we are going to look. So if a signal is given, maybe we consider a time domain signal, that is xn. So what we have to do, we have to take the modulus of that signal. That means we are taking mod of xn. After that we are doing the square of that term, means square of mod of xn, and finally we can represent our energy signal as E is equal to summation minus infinity to infinity. This is the lower limit and upper limit value, and this term, that is mod of xn square, we are taking, and if we solve that one, then we are getting our energy signal value. So if this value will be finite and if the power will be zero, then that signal will be our energy signal. So how we will calculate power? Now we are going to look. So power is going to be calculated using this equation. So P is equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by 2n plus 1 summation n is equal to minus n to plus n mod of xn square. So this is our equation of a power and this is the equation of energy. So whenever the xn is given, we have to put on this equation, we have to calculate energy value, we have to calculate the power value, and finally we can conclude that whether the signal is an energy signal or a power signal. So let's look one numerical problem. So before we are going to take one numerical problem, first of all, one important formula which you will face whenever you solve an energy and power signal problem. So E is equal to summation 0 to infinity a to the power n. If these conditions arise, then the solution of that one will be 1 divided by 1 minus a. And if P is equal to summation n2 is the upper limit and n1 is the lower limit, 1 to the power n, so we can write that thing as upper limit value minus lower limit value plus 1. So this is the solution of this one. So whenever you will do a numerical problem based on the energy and power signal, if this will appear, then you directly write this formula. So let's look the numerical problem. Here xn is equal to un, and we have to say that whether it's an energy signal or power signal. So what we have to do, we have to take the modulus of this one, we have to square that one, and finally we will calculate our energy value and power value, and based on that we can conclude that whether it's an energy or power signal. So if we calculate the power value, so what is the equation? Limit n tends to infinity 1 divided by 2n plus 1 summation 0 to n, and here un means we already know, un means 1. When this is valid, means whenever the value will be greater than 0. So that's why we have changed the limit, because in power equation the limit will be from minus n to n, but from minus n to minus 1 this term will be 0, so we are not taking that one, and hence the limit value we have to take here from 0 to n, and un means 1. So if we have to solve this one, so what is the equation, means what is the final term we are getting, means the upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. So upper limit is n, lower limit is minus 0 plus 1, so we are getting n plus 1, and here we divide it by 2n plus 1, so here n limit will be infinity. So if we have to solve this one, then we are getting our value, that is half. So we can say that half is the finite value, so power value is finite. Now we have to calculate the energy value, then only we are going to conclude that whether the signal is energy or power signal. So how we can uh, solve the energy signal, means how we can solve the energy value based on this equation, that is E is equal to summation 0 to infinity 1 to the power 2. So if we are going to solve this one, so here 1 to the power 2 means here the upper limit value is infinity. So if we solve this equation, so what we are going to get, infinity will be our final value. So we can say that here the power value is finite but the energy value is infinite. So we can conclude that this is our power signal. So that's all from the today's topic. Thank you.